How to export contacts from Thunderbird Address Book. First, open Thunderbird. In the left panel, click on the address book icon. You can also access the address book from the menu bar by clicking on Tools, and at the top, you'll see Address Book. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+B. Once the address book section is open, select the address book you want to export. After selecting it, right-click on the address book. From the list of options, choose Export. Next, select the destination path where the file should be saved. Below that, enter a name for the exported address book. In the Save as Type dropdown, you'll find multiple formats available such as CSV, TXT, VCF, and LDIF. Here, we will go with CSV, but you can choose a different format if needed. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the export process. Now, open the folder where the file was exported. Inside, you'll see the address book saved in CSV format. Let's open it. And you'll find all the contacts along with their details. And that's it. That's how you can export contacts from Thunderbird Address Book.